In this video, I'll show you how to run a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Reports in the left sidebar. Now, find Profit and Loss in the list of available reports and click it to open the report. After that, select the report period and choose the date range you want to review. You can select options such as this month, this quarter, this year, or choose custom to enter your own dates. Next, select the accounting method, such as cash or accrual, if that option is available. Now click Run Report to update the results. QuickBooks will show your income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the selected period. After that, review the report and expand the different sections if you want to see more details. You can also click Customize to filter the report by customer, class, location, or other available options. Finally, you can print the report or export it to Excel or PDF if you need to share or save it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to run a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.